Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this. Popular Nollywood actress Ayo Adesanya, who has featured in both Yoruba and English, has made it known to her fans that domestic violence was one responsible for her exit from the camera front for about 10 years. While on Rubin Minds, the actress explained that she experienced domestic violence during her relationship and that was part of the reason she took a break. I started with the English movies, but at a point, I wasn't as active as I used to be. I was out of the scene for 10 years slightly due to domestic stuff. When I mean domestic, I was in a kind of relationship, though I was never married to him, we were living together. I experienced a little bit of domestic violence, but I am over it now. I went through that and I came out of that. I can actually talk about it now because, initially, when it happened I was a little bit ashamed then.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Gua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe? There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gua TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.